Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger drive shaft. First, park your truck on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Next, gather all your tools, including appropriate wrenches, a floor jack, and sturdy jack stands. It's crucial to ensure the vehicle is securely supported on the jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Safety is always the top priority when working on your vehicle. Now let's disconnect the drive shaft. Before you remove anything, use a paint pen or marker to mark the drive shaft and the differential flange. This ensures proper alignment during reassembly, preventing vibrations. Then, using the correct size wrench, remove the 4 bolts that connect the drive shaft to the differential flange. Once those are out, carefully slide the drive shaft straight out of the transmission tail shaft. With the drive shaft removed, it's an excellent time for inspection. Carefully check the U-joints for any signs of wear, rust, or stiffness when you articulate them. Also, examine the drive shaft itself for any dents, bends, or excessive play in the splines. If you find any issues, it's wise to replace worn components like the U-joints or the carrier bearing to ensure smooth operation and prevent future problems. To reinstall, first lubricate the transmission splines with a small amount of grease, then carefully slide the drive shaft back into the transmission. Align the marks you made earlier on the drive shaft and differential flange, then reinsert and tighten the 4 bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Double-check all connections. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Always drive your vehicle carefully after any major repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.